Hey, this is Gerard Braud, your CNN iReporter evangelist, with tutorial number 13 on how to be a good iReporter. Back on the shores of Lake Pontchartrain here in Mandeville, Louisiana, to listen to the noise. I'm going to be silent for a minute and listen to what you hear in the background. You can hear some ladies walking behind on the bike path. You can hear a truck passing over here. You hear the waves back here. If you're filing an iReport and you're using a device like an iPhone, iPad, or other smart device, you have to constantly be listening for what's behind you. Out here on the shores of the lake, the other thing I have to listen for, especially because I file so many weather iReports, is listen. As I turn this way and then turn this way, you can hear the rustling of the wind. I have to be aware that if I'm on camera now and the wind is blowing at me, there's a good chance that the iPad, if the microphone is on this side, is shielding me from the wind. But if I rotate around, and now the wind is blowing at the iPad, of course the color changes as we saw in tutorial number 12, but also the roar of the wind. There is a solution to that, or at least a halfway decent solution. Small lavalier microphone that you can clip right here. It has a mini plug jack, and this mini plug fits nicely into the earphone jack, and that is one way that you can get better sound. Let's stop right here. We're going to pause. I'm going to plug in this microphone and listen to see if you can tell the difference in the sound. So we're resuming the video. Audio's plugged in. I'm using this small microphone here, and the audio quality is a little better. I still have to be aware that if wind is rustling across this lavalier microphone, that it still could negatively affect my audio. But the wind rustling across here is not as bad as the wind rustling across the iPad itself. So audio is an important part of what you need to be aware of during your iReports. I would simply say be conscious of what is around you and adjust accordingly. If I were doing this as an iReport that possibly was going to get on the air in the earlier part, I heard the ladies talking, I would have stopped and started recording again after that background noise had passed. I might wait for the wind to die down. I might wait for the trucks to stop passing so that I can have better audio. This is Gerard Braud, your CNN iReporter evangelist.